In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate customer statements in QuickBooks Online. Customer statements are a great way to show your clients what they owe, what's been paid, and the overall activity on their account. They're especially helpful for following up on overdue invoices or giving customers a clear summary for a specific period. Let's walk through the process step by step so you can confidently create and send these statements. First, from your QuickBooks Online dashboard, look over to the left-hand side and click on Sales. This is where you manage everything related to customers and invoices. Once you're in the Sales section, select Customers. This opens your full customer list, which is the starting point for generating statements. Next, you'll choose which customers you want to include. On the customer list, you'll see a checkbox next to each customer's name. Click the checkbox for every customer you want to send a statement to. You can select just one customer, a handful of them, or even a larger batch if needed. Once your customers are selected, look for the Batch Actions drop-down menu, usually above the list. Click on Batch Actions, then choose Create Statements. This tells QuickBooks you're ready to set up statements for the customers you've selected. Now it's time to choose the statement details. Start with the statement type. You'll see three options in the drop-down. Balance Forward shows invoices, payments, and the customer's current balance as of a specific date, which is ideal for giving a simple running total. Open Item lists all open, unpaid invoices from the last 365 days, making it perfect for collections or follow-up reminders. Transaction Statement lists all transactions, both open and closed, for a specific date range, which is useful when a customer wants a detailed history. After choosing the type, set the statement date, as well as the start and end dates for the period you want the statement to cover. Take a moment to review the customer's email address and make sure it's correct, since this is where the statement will be sent. You can also customize the email message to add context, like a friendly reminder or a short note. When everything looks good, you're ready to finalize. If you select Save and Send, QuickBooks will email the statements to your customers right away after a final review. If you choose Save and Close, the statements will be saved so you can come back and send them later. And if you want a physical copy or just something for your internal records, use Print or Preview to generate a PDF that you can print or download.